Welcome to Bike Plus, your trusted source for the latest bike news, reviews, and deep dives into the world of two-wheel innovation. Today, we're taking you into the heart of adventure biking with an exclusive look at the new 2025 Honda Africa Twin 65P. Honda's legendary off-road icon just got a serious upgrade, and it's not just evolutionary, it's revolutionary. Whether you're a hardcore ADV rider or simply dreaming of that cross-continent ride, this machine is built to go further, faster, and smarter than ever. A legend reimagined. The Honda Africa Twin has always been synonymous with rugged exploration and go-anywhere capability. But in 2025, Honda has redefined what this legend stands for. The Africa Twin 65P isn't just a facelift, it's a significant technological and mechanical advancement. Lighter, smarter, and more powerful, it reflects Honda's ambition to lead the premium adventure bike segment, going head-to-head with BMW GS, KTM Adventure, and Yamaha Tenere 700. With rider expectations higher than ever, the 65P delivers a package that's both refined and wild, making it one of the most exciting motorcycles of 2025. Engine and performance: 1,085 cubic centimeters punch with a twist. Under the tank, the 2025 Africa Twin 65P is powered by a revised 1,085 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, but this time with improved internal tuning, delivering 105 horsepower and 112 Nm of torque. The engine is 6 Euro Plus compliant and comes with enhanced low-end grunt, thanks to updated throttle mapping and a redesigned intake. One of the major highlights is the new Performance Plus Ride mode, exclusive to the 65P model. It allows riders to unlock the engine's full potential for aggressive off-road riding or high-speed touring. The engine remains smooth and predictable, but now with a more immediate throttle response that makes it feel alive under any conditions. DCT and manual transmission options. The Africa Twin 65P continues Honda's tradition of offering dual-clutch transmission, DCT, alongside the standard 6-speed manual. However, the 2025 model introduces Smart Shift integration with DCT, allowing on-the-fly adjustments for terrain and riding style. Honda has tweaked DCT responsiveness for low-speed technical trails, making it feel more natural and intuitive. Whether you're crawling up a rocky slope or cruising down the highway, gear transitions are seamless and precise. For purists, the manual still delivers that classic engagement with smoother clutch feel and tighter gear ratios. Chassis and suspension, built for tough terrain. Adventure bikes live or die by their suspension and chassis, and the 65P doesn't disappoint. The 2025 Africa Twin features a redesigned lightweight frame, shedding about 3.5 kilograms from the previous model without sacrificing durability. The subframe is now aluminum, improving mass centralization. Up front, the bike sports Showa ERA, electronically equipped ride adjustment, suspension with real-time damping control. The system adapts to road conditions in milliseconds, making highway riding buttery smooth and off-road encounters incredibly capable. Rear suspension features ProLink swing arms setup with customizable preload and rebound. Ground clearance is now 265 mm, giving you the confidence to tackle deeper ruts and bigger rocks without a second thought. Ergonomics and comfort: touring ready. Long-distance comfort is crucial for any ADV machine, and Honda delivers here too. The 2025 Africa Twin 65P comes with a reworked seat design, offering improved cushioning and better thigh grip. The seat height is adjustable between 850 mm and 870 mm, making it accessible for a wider range of riders. Handlebars are slightly raised and wider for better leverage, while the new windscreen is now 5-way adjustable and 20% larger, offering better protection against wind buffeting. Heated grips and cruise control come standard, and optional comfort seats and taller screens are available for long-haul riders. Technology: a smart bike for smart riders. This is where the Africa Twin 65P really leaps forward. The new 7-inch full-color TFT display has been upgraded with a faster processor and improved glare resistance. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and now includes Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for faster pairing with headsets and smartphones. The dashboard includes integrated navigation, trip tracking, weather updates, and advanced diagnostics. You also get rider profiles to save your personalized suspension, throttle, and traction control settings. Riding aids have been upgraded with 6-axis IMU, cornering ABS, lean-sensitive traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, and off-road optimization. All are adjustable via an intuitive interface that doesn't distract from the ride. Design and styling, rugged beauty. Honda didn't just focus on function, the form is also stunning. The 2025 Africa Twin 65P looks aggressive and purposeful. From the bold LED DRLs to the sculpted fuel tank and slim tail section, every inch of the bike screams ready for adventure. The new model introduces 3 exclusive color schemes: Desert Storm Sand, Midnight Metallic Black, and the classic Tricolor Adventure Rally. Each color gets matching frame accents and detailed graphics. Spoked wheels with tubeless tires come standard, a huge improvement for trailside repairs and puncture resistance. Fuel capacity and range go further. Fuel capacity has been increased to 25 liters, giving the Africa Twin 65P a theoretical range of over 500 kilometers, depending on your riding style. The bike now features a dual fuel sensor system to optimize fuel usage and alert riders of reserve more accurately. This bike is built for long distances, and with its fuel efficiency and new tank capacity, it can handle those cross-country dreams without frequent refueling stops. Pricing and variance, worth the investment. The 2025 Honda Africa Twin 65P comes in 2 primary variants, Standard and Adventure Sports Edition. The standard trim offers all the core features, while the Adventure Sports version adds larger suspension travel, 12V power outlets, a bigger skid plate, auxiliary lights, and aluminum panniers. Prices start at approximately $16,999 for the standard model and go up to $19,999 for the Adventure Sports trim. While it's not cheap, it's packed with performance and features that justify the price tag. Who should buy it? If you're someone who dreams of escaping city life and heading straight into the wild, or you simply want a motorcycle that's versatile enough to handle highways, trails, and backroads with equal confidence, the Africa Twin 65P is made for you. It's ideal for adventure tourers, long-distance riders, and tech-savvy enthusiasts who demand the best from both their machine and their journey. Conclusion: the ultimate adventure machine. The 2025 Honda Africa Twin 65P is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of freedom, durability, and innovation. Honda has taken everything that riders loved about the Africa Twin and amplified it with smart engineering, enhanced performance, and modern connectivity. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountains, or simply carving corners on your weekend getaway, the Africa Twin 65P is built to handle it all with comfort, control, and unmatched reliability. Thanks for watching this deep dive on Bike Plus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Ride safe, ride far, and keep chasing the horizon.